This tutorial is for Mobius Assessment, Lesson 2, Homework Question number 5. Imagine you are planning to purchase a home and need to arrange for a mortgage loan. The following table lists actions that need to be taken when arranging your loan. For each row in the table, identify the correct step of the quantitative reasoning process in which the action would be taken. Step 1 is understand the problem. Step 2, identify key variables and make key assumptions. Step 3, apply quantitative tools. Step 4, make an informed decision. Step 5, evaluate your reasoning. So the first thing we're going to do is read through all of these. The first one, you select the mortgage you will use to purchase the home. So this one is actually making that decision. So I'm selecting the mortgage. Kind of weird to start off with that one, but that isn't understanding the problem, nor is it identifying the key variables and assumptions. Applying quantitative tools, there's no calculations in this one. Make an informed decision. That sounds like I'm selecting the mortgage, so I'm going to select step 4. The next one, you identify how much you can pay each month, what interest rates are available, the home features you want, and other factors that will impact your choice. So right here I'm listing out some very critical data, and that sounds like identifying key variables and key assumptions. It's not understanding the problem yet. This is moving into what I need, the meat of the problem. So this is step number 2. Step number 3, you need to make a decision about which mortgage to use to purchase a home. This sounds like what I'm, the whole overall problem here. So this step is understanding the problem, step number 1. Step number 4, row number 4, you compute the monthly payment, interest payments, and total cost of each mortgage loan option. So this one I'm actually doing some calculations and I'm computing things. So this is where you've started to apply the quantitative tools. And one visual is right here showing that you're actually doing some of the math. So that's number 3. Okay, and the last one, you look back at your calculations and make sure they are reasonable. You pray to confirm your decision before you make an offer on the home. This is evaluating your reasoning. It's the very last thing about going back through and making sure everything looks good. And so this is step number 5. We can go back to the top and just confirm this by how did I do and make sure that we get a check mark on each of these as well.